As we come to the end of our lessons, I want to say that you can also achieve quality renders with the Lumen Render engine. As long as your light saturation is right, it should show a balanced, average distribution all around the scene. When it spreads evenly, you'll get beautiful images from everywhere. I took another screenshot from here. Right now I'm in the Lumen Render view. From the film back section, normally my value was 16 millimeter, but if the camera is right at the wall, you can capture a different angle by going beyond Super 35 millimeters. In the settings section, here you can capture many angles and increase the width with these camera settings. Look, there are different angles and different views. You can adjust them and take renders from various angles here. Let's take a render from the 3 views here. Let's say, update. I've come to the export section of my image. I have no business with the video section from here. I'm saying deselect null, and I've come to the image section, and I will take the video 3 view from the last part. It's important to have the right resolution when taking this. When I go to the ambient section, my resolution appears to be 2400. I set it to 6400, bringing it to 6K. The image section is checked from the export button. I selected my garage folder by saying Start Export, and I clicked on my folder icon. The Lumen Render engine is really a fast rendering engine. The calculation system is a bit different from Petra because it does real-time calculations. It really gives us a fast image. On the graphics card I'm using, which is the 4090, it gives the render image in about 1 or 2 minutes at a ratio of 6K. That's really a nice duration. With Petra, this duration can be 2 or 3 times longer. Yes, our render is finished. Let's take a look at our render image. I'm going to the garage class again. And the image I've got is this, guys. As you can see, this is the kind of image. There are slight blemishes. As you can see, those blemishes are again due to the Lumen Render engine. To eliminate those blemishes, we will need to adjust our light sources. From here, we will need to point the camera from right behind it towards this side. Friends, because the light source is an important topic. When you use the light source less, such blemishes can occur. Of course, this is valid for the Lumen Render engine. However, when we get a render like this with Petra, those parts won't be there.